Hey, what's up with it, man? This Mr. 5150, man. You know, you see that? Yeah. I don't like that. So, you know, I did this thing. I went and got these. Cop these, man. The pop-on veneers, man. You know what I'm saying? Or whatnot, yeah. I had mine a few days. You know, I wanted to give them a test run. Before I decided to make a video. Yeah, as you can see, they pop right in, man. I got the Hollywood smile going on. They got deals. Yeah, they now close the gap, you know what I'm saying? Like, man, yeah. I just had to enhance my handsome. So from here on out, you can call me Mr. Handsome. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's my hashtag here and there or whatnot. But shout out to Papa on Veneers, man, for real. Thank you. You know what I mean? They got deals, too. Go look them up. Get with it.
Reclaim your smile and smile with confidence again at Papa on Veneers. You heard?